So the RBI has issued new rules for auto debit payments, and if you don't comply, you might just lose subscriptions to some of your favorite OTT platforms. So if you've subscribed to any OTT platform like a Netflix, which requires regular payment of subscription fee, or if you have subscribed to any paid app through your smartphone, your card details get saved and that payment is automatically deducted from your account to keep the subscription active. Now these are auto debit payments, and it is regarding such payments that the RBI has issued new rules now. So all recurring transactions will need additional authentication. You will need to authenticate the payment every time that payment has to be done. 24 hours before that auto debit happens from your account, you will get a notification either via SMS or via email, and you will also get a link in that notification to opt out of that transaction. For any recurring transaction, if the amount is more than rupees 5,000, you will need to validate a one-time password every time. Any mandate registration, any modification or any deletion will also require you to provide additional factor authentication, AFA. So if you use debit cards or credit cards, whether it's domestic or international, or if you're using UPI or if you're using PPIs to make recurring transactions, you will need to comply with these new rules to ensure that your subscriptions remain active. Recurring transactions are not just your OTT subscriptions or apps that you've subscribed to. It will also include electricity bills or gas bills, and you will need to authenticate the payment each time. So while these new rules would require you to authenticate every payment every time it needs to be made, but on the contrary, it may just also serve as a reminder for certain subscriptions which you no longer need, and you'll be able to deactivate them. Now, OTT platforms are fearing that they may lose customers because of this change in auto debit payment rules, and they are predicting a 10 to 15% decrease in their user base because of these new rules. They feel the customers may find it more tedious to make these recurring transactions because they have to be authenticated every time. Now, the RBI has been hinting at these new auto debit rules since a while now, and there was an extension which was also given earlier in the year, but now October 1st onwards, these new auto debit rules will be in effect.